Hello guys, Today we'll be discussing the community giveaway. Previously, nung check natin yung socials ng Project Sino, nakita natin tong community giveaway. So, meron silang 1 million prize pool. Yan. So, 500 players na makaka-receive ng rewards. In partnership with YGG Pilipinas, Project Sino, YGG Pilipinas, community giveaway. August 15 to September 22, 2023. So, 500 winners daw. And then, 1 million ang prize pool. Tagto 2,000 per player. So, yun, laki nun, no? 1 million. So, paano ba? Paano ba makasali? So, yun, how to join, download the game, create an account. Play until you're at Arena 3 or higher. Like and follow the official page. So, ito yun. Kailangan like and follow. So, yun, naka-follow na tayo. And then, fill out this form. So, how to join? Download the game, create an account. Play until you're at Arena 3 or higher. Like and follow the official page of Project Sino. Ito yon, yung official page. Pwede ilalagay ko na din tong link nitong official page sa description. Follow this form. Yan, kinlik ko na yung form. So, yan. Tapos na tayo sa mechanics. So, after mo i-download yung game, create an account, play, Arena 3 high or higher. So, yan. And then, follow yung page nila. And then, fill out this form. Upload your Sino account screenshots. Yan. So, dito yung link ng download. And then, Project Sino Discord channel. So, ito yung server ng YGG Pilipinas. And, yun. Kailangan, pagkasali nyo ng YGG Pilipinas, and iti-check nyo yung Project Sino na channel. So, doon kayo pupunta. So, malamang ang mangyayari is, ang raffle is sa loob ng YGG PH na server, and then, mag-uusap doon sa Project Sino channel. Yan. So, September 22 ang end ng campaign. Sabi dun sa poster, pagka total is, ang nakalagay dito is qualified participants. So, pag qualified, ibig sabihin, nakaano ka, lahat ng mechanics, lahat ng requirements dito, and then yung Arena 3 or higher, dapat ganun, lahat yun is, pagka 14,999 or less, ang magiging winners ay 100 participants, and yung price nila each is 1,000. So yun, 1,000 each for 100 winners. And then pagka qualified participants is between 15,000 and 49,999. Total winners, qualified winners will be 250. Yan yung ipaparaffle nila. And then each will be receiving 1,500 pesos. Lastly, ito yung yung last tier, yung level 3 ng price. So, level 3 price is pagka greater than 50,000 yung qualified, qualified participants. Ang winners is 500 winners, tapos ang marireceive nila is total of 2,000 pesos each. Arena, ito, makikita niyo Arena 3 or high, yung arena level dito sa arena battle, click nyo yung parang Coliseum. So, tayo nasa arena 6 na tayo. So, yan. Dito ka magsisimula, arena 1. Arena 2, yung 200 trophies. So, parang 200 MMR. So, pag arena 3 is 500 trophies. Yan. So, pagka naka 500 trophies ka na, pwede ka na mag-fill up dun. Ang kailangan mo screenshot is ganito, yung profile. So, yan. So, makikita kasi sa profile yung trophies mo, and then yung arena, kung anong arena ka na. So, ito important din yung ID. Yan yung i-enter din doon, yung ID. So, unique yan per profile. So, dyan sila magbe-base ng account. So, yung Sino username is yung Momoring. Yung sa akin, Momoring ang username ko. And then, user ID. Yun, nasa baba. Yan, ito yung yung Sino ID. Sino username yung sa taas. And then, email, yan. Enter mo yung email mo. Tapos, yung Discord naman, kailangan mo sumali sa Join Project Sino Discord channel. Okay. So, sasali ka dito sa server ng YGGPH and then pupunta ka sa Project Sino na channel. So, yun. Kailangan mo enter dito yung Discord username mo para para malaman kung sino yung nandoon sa channel or sa server mismo. Yan, birth date, home address, GCash number. Ito important, GCash number kasi dito isa-send yung rewards. Yan, tapos name on GCash. So yan, where did you learn? So yan, sa akin, ang na learn ko sa YGG Alerts, YGG Pilipinas. Yan. So yeah guys, that's it for the Project Sino giveaway. Hopefully, can be one of the lucky winners of this giveaway. Alright, GG.